I was able to travel to Austin this weekend. I was able to drone, run, explore new places, and see beautiful scenery. I'm currently all settled in Austin. Drive was pretty good. First night out of 2. I'm gonna get some rest. Starting my day with a run at Lady Bird Lake was eye-opening. The weather was relatively nice, but there was hundreds of people running. Great to see a huge running culture. After messing around in the heavy machinery and finishing up my run, I knew it was time to drone. Capturing the water with the newly built city skyline was breathtaking.